Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial. Here now we concentrate on our next series, that is Flutter. This Flutter is very important nowadays because using this we can build two applications. So one is Android, other one is an iOS. Using this we can build, and this Flutter is built, it is with a beautiful UI for Android and iOS with single code base. That advantage is like nothing but here beautiful UI, beautiful UI with single code base, beautiful UI and single code base for Android and iOS. For both it's we can use a single code base, that is this UI. So this is we call as Flutter. So here now, if we use this Flutter, what are the advantages? So what are the advantages? Why we need to go for this? That is main important. Why we need to go this? The first advantage of this Flutter is it's a fast development. The fast development. How this fast development? Simply this development is very fast. How we can say this very fast? Here Flutter has a feature as called hot reload. That helps to you quickly experiment, build UIs and features and faster bug fixes. Also good experience in sub-second reload times without losing the state of an emulator, simulator and hardware device also. Because if I'm running Android and iOS application natively, every time it can take more time to do this. Means it will take again loading time, it will take more, but here it not. It will be very simple way, it can be finished this. That will be easily we can handle this. Then next, expressive beautiful UI. So already we discussed that it using this we can design very beautiful UIs. Nowadays everyone are following this beautiful UIs with flavor of Android and iOS, rich motion, smooth, natural, and this we can do. Also now it's a cross platform. Flutter is a cross platform, but it can give the performance as native performance. Flutter is cross platform, but it will feel that user can feel that it's a native application. It's not a cross platform like this, means it's a very faster this. So that easily we can do in this. That is a main advantage of this. Also using this we can use the application development, and other developments will be very simple, fast development. So because of the hard reload and reflectivity, like reflectivity is nothing but here this is simply we can see one more feature here, reflectivity. So reflectivity means nothing but it's a very easily with Flutter UI automatically it can be used, very useful UI we can build in this, and it will give this equalized performance to this native this. And nowadays who are using this Flutter, because that very important, if we those people are using means we can confidently say that okay, this is very good application. So nowadays Google Flutter is introduced by Google only, but Google, eBay, BMW, Square who are providing our Android Studio, Alibaba, it's a e-commerce application. Means why I am saying this example means using this we can do any type of application, capital one. So these are the major companies nowadays using this. Is using this we can do any things that. So that is a main advantage, but it's on a cross platform only, but single code base we can use this. But I have one more question. What we are using for this? What language to develop using this? So here to develop this application, here we are using the new language called Dart. It's by Google. We are using the language called Dart. So this language, is this required any basic knowledge for this? Means who are having this Android and iOS experience, or at least Android or at least iOS experience, who are having that experience, it's a easily they can handle this cases. So because some of the places we may use directly the native code from the Android as well as native code from the iOS as well. So those we can see clearly one by one in coming sessions. What are the features, how to install, everything we can see in the next tutorials. Just it's an introduction tutorial. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates on this.